In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MetaTrader 4 on your Android phone. So we start by going to Google Play Store and we type in MT4 app, and then we install the MetaTrader 4. This is basically a demo account where you're going to be practicing on how to trade Forex, which is always best for someone who's starting out. Let's just wait for it to open. Then you click on open. Once you've clicked on open, you go and you open the app, which is going to create a demo account for you with about $100,000 on it. That's the fake money that you're gonna use to practice, and then you go on and accept. And then we need to change the trading chart, the interface of the trading chart, because as you can see here, it's got black and white candle bars, so we need to change those. So you go to settings to change, and then you scroll down until you reach colors. Click on colors, and then the bar up candle, you need to change it to lime, and the bar down candle, you need to change it to red. The bull candle, you also need to change it to lime, and the bear candle, you need to change it to red. Once that is done, we need to remove the relative strength index indicator because we don't need it for now. And then we're just going to change the moving average. So we start by deleting the relative strength index. And then once we've deleted it, then we go and we tweak the moving average. The moving average basically shows you which direction your trend is going. If the red line is on top, that means your trend is going down. If it's at the bottom, it means it's going up. So we change the period to 200. And then we change the method to exponential, and then the color we need to change it to red. And then once that is done, your chart will look like this, and you're ready to trade. See you in the next video.